Hi everybody, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this week's craft bag. So you're going to need string, scissors, the popsicle stick, the bottle piece, and these have been completely sanitized, so they are nice and clean, and you also need some glue. And so first things first is you're actually going to decorate the bottle, and so I decided to just cover mine completely in duct tape, but you can use anything really. Like you can color it with markers if you have like stickers or feathers or anything that was in the craft bag you can use to decorate, but you can also just use stuff that you have at home and really have a fun time. I just wanted to put duct tape around because it was easy and it was quick and it was what I had, so that's what I used. So it ended up being nice and rainbow and colorful, but it's really entirely up to you what you want it to look like because it is your bird feeder. I just wanted to make sure the whole thing was covered, so used lots of tape. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the little popsicle stick, and you're going to take your glue and you are going to glue it. You'll see here in a second. You're going to glue it right on one end, and you're going to go about halfway down. And you can see kind of where my glue is. I ended up needing to put a little bit more glue on, but then you'll just kind of stick it in there. White glue will probably work better if that's what you have, but I had that kind of glue, so that's what I used. And then I decided to draw a little smiley face on the stick because I thought it was fun, because this is where the birds will land to be able to get the seed out. And then you can kind of see how it turned out. And then last thing will be taking the string. So you might need to get an adult to help you with this, but you really just are going to wrap it around a bunch. And I just knotted it so it was nice and tight. And then I just kind of wrapped it around and made a little loop at the top, so you can kind of see what I ended up doing here. But you can also just glue the string on. You can tape it down. It's really up to what materials you have at home and how you want your birdhouse to look. And I just trimmed it so it was nice and neat. And then there you go. I had a little bird feeder so that I can give bird seed to the birds, so I can give it back to Raven. And then you're just going to take your bird seed that you got and you're just going to put it in the little bird feeder so it kind of sits like that, and then there you go. Cute little bird feeder. Thanks for watching. Bye.